A 2017 Ford Fiesta, and it has a cabin filter. We're gonna check that out today. We go over here on the passenger side, and it's located behind this panel here, so you're gonna need to remove this push pin. This pin, you need a Phillips screwdriver just to unscrew it, and then you can pull the pin out. Okay, so this panel right here is gonna need to come out, and it's just held in with clips right here. So you basically just get your hand under here and yank it, and you can pull it right out. Okay. Once you have that out, the cabin filter is located right here in this box right here. This is the door for it, okay? And it's gonna have these T-Torx T20s, okay? These screws right here. So I think it's 4 screws, okay? And there's one that's really hard to get to. So you can see one here, and one up there. And the 4th one is up here. This one's kind of hard to get to. I'm gonna use a screwdriver style. These are the easy ones. You can use like a ratchet style. This one, you're gonna want something thin and long to get up to this guy. Because all this other shit right here is in the way. So you just unscrew those, and the filter's inside there. So let me see if I can show you how bad this one is. Can't even see it. But here's how I have it, like this. It's pretty tough to get in there to see that. Let's see. Yeah, but you're just gonna have to do your best to unscrew it. Screw these 4 Torx. Take that cover door off. So here's one. And I'll go ahead and get those other 3 off real quick. Right, so I got this one out already. Pull that one off. I'm going to want to unplug this to get this out of my way. Okay, and then the door just come right off. Ah, there's one up top hiding from me. There's 5. All right. There's the filter in there. Right there. If you can see it. There's one more hiding from me. I didn't know that. Dang, I forgot about that one. Right there. There you are. Dang. I don't know if I can get that one. Hold on. So you're gonna have to kind of attack it like this, and then screw is right back there. Sorry if the camera isn't focusing. There's the screw right there. And do it, and the door comes right off. There's the door. Cabin filter's right here. Just pull this guy right out. Alright, it gets kind of tore up, so be careful with your new one when you go to stick it back in there. This one's actually pretty clean, so I don't need to really replace it. This car only has 10,000 miles, so I'm probably gonna just fix this up, stick it right back in. But if you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get one, so check that out for me. Alright. So when you get your new one, you're just gonna have to cram it back in there, just like this one came out. Without tearing it up too bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. We'll see you later. All I gotta do is just stick the filter back in there, put the cover back on. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. Thanks for watching it.